So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue the topic computer fundamentals. Okay, and we already studied something about the computer fundamental yesterday. So let me give you a small description about the previous class. छोटा सा एक revision कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? So it will good for all of you. I think all of you can see the screen also. Okay, fine. If the screen is visible, so please write in the chat option yes. If the screen is visible, so please write it yes in the option chat. Okay, fine. Yesterday we started from the basic definition of the computer. Okay, then we describe about the what type of computer parts, the two types, hardware and software, and we explain the definition also. Okay, and then computer hardware parts, how many types? Two types of computer hardware parts are there. I explained yesterday, peripheral and component. What is component, peripheral? I already explained to all of you. And then peripherals also, there's a two types, internal and external peripheral. It is also explained to you yesterday. Okay, and what is external? External also, there's a two types, input device and output device. It is also explained yesterday. I cleared to all of you. Okay, and I give these notes to all of you on through the WhatsApp, and I uploaded the video on YouTube also. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the hardware. Okay, hardware, what type of hardware, क्या क्या होता है नहीं होता है. Okay, now we have to discuss about the software. Software also, there's a two types of software. Okay, software भी दो तरह का होता है. Software क्या होता है? The soft part of computer which you cannot touch and see simply, but another, in practical you have to say all the instructions are given to the computer to perform a specific task, or are called software part of computer, and we cannot touch and see the soft part of the computer. आप software को touch नहीं कर सकते हो. What you are writing in the computer, you cannot touch these words. Okay, if you are playing the game, so you cannot touch that players, and that whatever you are looking see na on a screen, that is not software. Okay, software is the internal programs. That internal program also you cannot touch. जो भी internal programs होता है उसको आप देख भी नहीं सकते हो, touch भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Suppose I am writing something on the page. अगर मैं पेज पे कुछ लिख रहा हूँ, if I am writing something on the page, so I cannot see how it's coming on the screen. What is the coding behind of that thing? ठीक है? So this is the thing. Okay. So now about the software. Okay. There's a two types of software also. Software also two types. सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है? दो तरह का होता है. ठीक है, देयर इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. वन इज द हार्ड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. System software, and second is the application software. System software and application software. System software and application software. System software क्या होता है और application software क्या होता है? So now let me give you one small example. Okay, like we can compare our human body. Okay, हमारा जो body होता है, it's like a computer. It's all computer. ठीक है? And our soul is a system software. Our soul is a system software, and our sensors or hand, legs, tongue, we have eyes, we have these all are our application software. We can compare with it. Okay, like without system software computer cannot work. Without system software computer cannot work. Same like if there is no soul in the body, अगर किसी body में से soul को remove कर लेते हैं, so that is called a dead body, and dead body is वो किसी काम का नहीं होता, उसमें आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, that cannot move, that cannot walk, cannot eat, nothing, no movement. So same with the computer also. अगर कंप्यूटर के अंदर से आप सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर रिमूव कर दोगे, so computer will stop working. उसमें आप कुछ भी काम नहीं कर सकोगे, nothing. But if you have installed system software in your computer, अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है, then you can work on computer, you can switch on the computer, you can turn on the computer. Okay, and about the work, whatever application you have, whatever application software you are installed in your computer, आपके कंप्यूटर में जितना भी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल है, आप सिर्फ वही काम कर सकते हो, उसके अलावा कुछ अलग से काम नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, जितना भी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर आपके कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल है, आप सिर्फ वही काम कर सकते हो, उससे अलग कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो. सेम लाइक इफ ए पर्सन हु डजंट हैव लेग, he doesn't have leg, so he cannot walk, he cannot run. But if he hands, so he can hold anything. If he has eyes, so he can watch anything, he can see anything. If he have tongue, so he can speak. Okay, so like that. So same like application software. If you have Photoshop software in your computer, so you can do photo editing. If you have Tally software, you can do accounting. If you have some another you have games in your computer, so you can play games on the computer. Okay, so is it clear the meaning of the system and application software, all of you? So please write in the chat option. Then I will write here the definition also. Okay, fine. Good. So these are system software and application software's meaning actually. Okay, now I'm going to write you the definition also, that what is the system software and what is the application software. System software is a program that manages and supports the operation of a computer system. Okay, in simply, system software is a program that manages and support the operation of a computer system. Computer system के उसको manage करता supports को, ठीक है? And without system software, we cannot operate the computer. Without system software, we cannot. Sorry. Without system software, we cannot operate the computer. Okay, without system software, we cannot operate the computer. Examples are Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, etc. Okay, these all are example of the system software. Now about the application software. Okay. What is application software? Application software is a mouse बार-बार नीचे भाग रहा है. Application software is a computer program designed to help user to perform a specific task, or you can say perform different tasks. Simple. Okay, in simply, if anyone asks you what is application software, you can say application software is a computer program designed to help the user to perform a different task. For example, an accountant will work on Tally, a graphic designer will work on Photoshop and Corel, a website designer will work on HTML or maybe WordPress or maybe Joomla, all that thing. ठीक है, सो जिसका जो काम होगा वो उसी सॉफ्टवेयर पे काम करेगा. ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर पे तो यूजर्स के लिए होता है. सपोज ए किड ही वांट्स टू प्ले गेम, सो he needs software of the games. उसको गेम का सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए. He doesn't require the software of the like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. उसको नहीं चाहिए. If you want to make a presentation, you need a software of the PowerPoint. So is it clear to all of you the use of system software and application software and definition also? If it is clear, so please write yes in chat option. Okay, fine. Good. Now we have to it's about the memory. Okay, मेमोरी, व्हाट इज मेमोरी एक्चुअली? वी ऑल हैव मेमोरी, ठीक है, हम सबके पास मेमोरी होता है, राइट? और हमारे पास जो मेमोरी होता है उसका काम क्या होता है? वी हैव द मेमोरी एंड द वर्क ऑफ द मेमोरी इज टू स्टोर एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर कर लेना। सपोज just for a moment forget about the computer, I'm just telling you forget about the computer, okay? We are talking about our human memory। हम हमारा human memory क्या करता है? हम सब कुछ याद कर ले। सपोज वी मीट समवन, सो वी आस्क देयर नेम, ओके, वी डू इंट्रोडक्शन, ओके व्हाट्स योर नेम, they tell us the name also, his place also, from where they are, okay? So we just record his name and her name, okay? So next time when we meet, so we call that person by the name because we know that person name। आपको कैसे पता है? whatever you hear, आप जो भी सुनाई देता है आप लोगों को, whatever you listen, you all capture all the things in your brain, वो सबको आप कैप्चर कर लेते हो, ठीक है? But some information like you always keep in your mind, like you cannot forget your name, we cannot forget our name, we cannot forget our parents name, okay? We cannot forget our relatives name, but we can forget few people's name, like so those people's name with whom we are not interaction with a long time, ठीक है? अगर हम किसी लोगों से ज्यादा देर तक बात नहीं करते हैं, कुछ दिनों तक, for like 1 year 2 year, so we forget their name। So for example, right now you know my name Rajiv Basak, okay? I'm teaching you, but maybe after this 6 months or 1 year you will forget my name because आप यूज में नहीं है वो चीज, ठीक है? तो आप भूल सकते हो, इट्स नेचुरल। यू फॉरगेट योर फ्रेंड्स नेम आल्सो सम टाइम। सपोज आप now you are in here in India, but you have some your friends in your own country, na? So after a long time, if there no discussion, so sometime you can forget the names also, but you know them by face, but you don't remember their name। So there's a two types of memory, one memory which store everything in permanent basis, and the another memory which store information on the temporary basis। same in the computer also, कंप्यूटर के अंदर भी सेम ऐसा ही होता है, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस कंप्यूटर राइट नाउ, मैं इस कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहा हूं, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस कंप्यूटर एंड आई विल सेव दिस फाइल। अगर मैं इस फाइल को सेव कर लूंगा, इफ आई सेव दिस फाइल, so in future maybe after 1 month 2 month 1 year 2 year, even after 5 years also, if I open my computer I can get this file, मेरे को ये वाला फाइल मिल जाएगा। बट सपोज आई एम वर्किंग ऑन ए फाइल एंड आई डिडंट सेव, मैंने उसको सेव नहीं किया, कंप्यूटर बंद हो गया, और मे बी जैसे पावर कट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चला गया एंड कंप्यूटर ऑटोमेटिकली टर्न ऑफ हो गया, इट्स ऑफ। सो whenever I again turn on the computer, I will not get that file back, मुझे वो फाइल वापस नहीं मिलेगा। रीजन वेरी सिंपल, I didn't save the file, मैंने उस फाइल को सेव नहीं किया था, that's why I lost that file, right? So if I save that file, where it will go? अगर मैं फाइल को सेव करूंगा, so first that file will store in the hard disk, वो फाइल कहां सेव हो जाएगा? हार्ड डिस्क के अंदर, ओके? और वो हमेशा स्टोर रहेगा until I will not delete from myself, ठीक है? So there's a one kind of memory and another memory, suppose I am working on computer, मैं कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहा हूं बट मैंने इसको फाइल को सेव नहीं किया है, आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग राइट नाउ ऑन वन फाइल, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस फाइल, सपोज ये नोटपैड फाइल है, मैंने इसमें कुछ भी लिखा और मैंने इसको सेव नहीं किया, इस फाइल को मैंने बंद कर दिया, डोंट सेव, तो क्या मुझे फाइल मिलेगा नेक्स्ट टाइम? कैन यू राइट इन द चैट ऑप्शन यस और नो? Can you write in the chat option, can I get that notepad file again? No. Right answer, we cannot get the file, I cannot get the file back because I didn't save the file। But just think for a moment, एक बार आप लोग सोचो, maybe for 5 seconds or 10 seconds that file was on the screen, वो फाइल मेरे कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन के सामने था, that file was on my screen, it's mean जब तक वो फाइल मेरे कंप्यूटर में था, till that time which that file is showing on the screen, it's mean that file was storing some space in the computer, वो फाइल मेरे कंप्यूटर में कहीं ना कहीं पे कोई स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा था, ठीक है? so that space is called the memory, that space is called the memory। वो जगह जहां पे वो फाइल था, अवेल आपको शो कर रहा था, that is the memory। but don't say कि वो फाइल आपको डेस्कटॉप की स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा था तो डेस्कटॉप इज अ मेमोरी, नो। डेस्कटॉप तो सिर्फ आपको क्या करता है, स्क्रीन आपको क्या शो करता है, ओनली आपको सिर्फ आउटपुट देता है, जो भी आप काम करते हो व्हाटएवर यू गिविंग इनपुट, सो ये आपको सिर्फ शो करता है, ठीक है? बट दैट प्लेस which store all the programs, all the work you are working on present time. Okay, प्रेजेंट टाइम में आप कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो भी काम करते हो वो सारा का सारा जिस जगह पे स्टोर होता है वो भी एक मेमोरी है। ठीक है, तो चलो मैं एक बार पहले मेमोरी का डेफिनेशन बता देता हूँ, फिर वो बताता हूँ उसका डिफरेंस, उसको डिफरेंट करता हूँ। ठीक है, मेमोरी, memory is a space where we can store the information on temporary or on permanent basis. Okay, memory is a space, memory एक जगह होता है, एक प्लेस होता है where we can store the information or data on temporary or permanent basis. ठीक है, जहां पे वो फाइल स्टोर होता है, that space called the memory. There's a two types of memory. Primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, प्राइमरी मेमोरी एंड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। प्राइमरी मेमोरी को हम लोग बोलते हैं टेम्पररी मेमोरी। प्राइमरी मेमोरी also called the temporary memory. Temporary memory, okay. It is called the permanent memory. This is called the permanent memory. And the example of primary memory is the RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM is the example of the primary memory, okay. क्योंकि whatever you can see on the screen, आप स्क्रीन पे जो भी नजर आता है आप लोगों को वो सारा का सारा कहाँ पे स्टोर होता है, रैम के ऊपर। वो सारा का सारा इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ पे स्टोर होता है, रैम के ऊपर। ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई अगर आपके मोबाइल के अंदर भी आप देखते हो जो भी आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो करता है, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द रैम। अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में इफ इन योर कंप्यूटर देयर इज नो डिस्प्ले, अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में कोई डिस्प्ले नहीं है, nothing, no error, अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में even you are not getting error also, so maybe it's because of problem of the RAM. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर का रैम खराब हो जाता है, if RAM is damage in your computer, अगर आपके कंप्यूटर का रैम खराब हो जाएगा तो कंप्यूटर will never give a display, never give a single error also. But suppose your computer has problem with the Windows, अगर आपका Windows corrupt है or maybe hard disk problem or maybe another keyboard problem, mouse problem, it will give you some error message on the screen. But if there's a problem of RAM, so computer will never give you any display, any nothing will give you. Okay, and secondary memory, whatever you file you save, that आप जो भी फाइल सेव करते हो वो जहां पे परमानेंट सेव होता है, that is called the secondary memory. For example, hard disk. Hard disk is the permanent memory, CD is the permanent memory, DVD is the permanent memory, pen drive is also permanent memory. It's been called the secondary memory. I think, is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? So is the all the topics are clear to all of you? So please write in the chat option, yes, it is clear. If all the topics are clear to all of you, so please you can write yes. Okay, fine. Thank you all of you. And now you have class at English class also at 12 o'clock, Hasib English class. So we have to stop this class right now today here. Okay, and I will upload this video on YouTube, so you can get it from the YouTube, this video, and I will give you this PDF file on your WhatsApp also, so you can do practice from that also. Okay, and we will continue the lesson tomorrow. See you tomorrow all of you. Thank you.